and we're going to go to Wikipedia and we're going to borrow a picture from them. So we're on the Wikipedia page here. Whoops. And I want a picture of George Washington, and I know that if I go out here and search, that on the George Washington page there's a picture of George. Okay, and so I'm going to right click and I'm going to copy the image to the clipboard, and I don't need Wikipedia anymore. Now I'm going to go into paint.net, and here's paint.net, and what I want to do here is choose new. You can also type Control N, and if there's something on the clipboard, it automatically assumes that that's what you want to create your new picture from. And so this is the dimensions of that picture that I just copied. So I'm going to click on OK, and I'm going to do a Control V, and there's my picture. Okay. Now I'm going to zoom in on that a little bit. If I go to image, let me see, where is it? View. Let's zoom in. Yeah, let's try it one more time. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is I want a square picture, so I'm going to do my rectangle select tool over here. And I get the crosshairs, and basically what I want is I want to get rid of all of this stuff around the edge and just kind of focus on George's face here. And if you hold the shift key down while you drag, you can get a perfect square. And if you don't get it exactly where you want it, you can go over here and click on this move selection tool, and then just take your mouse here and you can kind of move it around and position it precisely where you want it, and that looks pretty good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to crop that picture, and then I'm going to resize it, which is on image here, and resize, and I'm going to make it 100 pixels by 100 pixels. And if maintain aspect ratio is checked, then it'll maintain the square. Okay, and now I've got the picture resized, and now I'm going to save it. And I have a folder out here called My Content, which is where I put images and sound files I'm going to use as content in XNA programs. And we're always going to save files as ping files in this class, and we'll get into why we do that later, but just save it as a ping file. And click on Save, and actually I may already have him out there. And just go with the defaults here. Click on OK, and now I got a picture of George, and now I am done with paint.net. And I am going to switch over to Visual Studio and create a program that uses the picture of George, but we'll get to that in the next video.